Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Pharmacy with Hemant. Today I am going to explain another important pharmacokinetic parameter, that is metabolism of drugs, or also known as biotransformation. Without delay, let's start our video with the definition of metabolism. As I said, metabolism is an important pharmacokinetic parameter where lipid soluble compound is converted to water soluble drugs in order to ease in excretion through various routes such as through urine, through our sweat, through our feces, etc. Whenever we take any medicine, it should leave our body in certain time. The duration of drug to stay in body depends on the physiochemical property of the drug. If the drug is highly lipophilic, it accumulates in our body and stays for the longer time because metabolism of that drug involves the longer time. And if the drug is highly hydrophilic, then it can easily excrete from our body even without conversion. Metabolism is the first part for the excretion of drug from our body. The converted compounds or end product of metabolism is known as the metabolites. If chemical changes occur due to enzyme, then only it is known as the metabolism. But if chemical conversion took place without involvement of any enzyme, then it is known as the chemical instability. For example, if penicillin is converted to penicilloic acid by bacterial enzyme penicillinase, then it is known as metabolism. Whereas if penicillin degraded by the presence of our stomach acid to penicillinic acid, it is called the chemical instability. So this is the difference of metabolism and chemical instability. Another term is there, first pass metabolism, which is also the important part of pharmacokinetic study. First pass metabolism is defined as the metabolism of drug occurs before drug enter into our systemic circulation. It is also known as the pre-systemic metabolism. You can see whenever we take our drug from our small intestine, large intestine, or from stomach, it directly reaches to our liver, or by the presence of some enzymes present in our lumen, they metabolize our drugs and interfere in the bioavailability of drug. Because of decreased bioavailability, which leads to the decrease in therapeutic response, and we can bypass first pass metabolism by administering drug by IV route and sublingual route, because oral route has high first pass metabolism. If we will give drug by IV route, it will directly enter in our systemic circulation. So it will decrease the first pass metabolism. The major organ for drug metabolism is liver because of presence of large number of enzymes in the liver. Secondary organs involved in metabolism are kidney, lungs, brain, testes, skin, plasma, etc. The decreasing order of organ involved in drug metabolism is liver, which metabolizes the highest number of drugs and highest proportion, then lungs, kidney, intestine, and the lowest is adrenaline and the skin. Now we are going to discuss about the effect of drug metabolism. First is termination of drug action. Whenever we take parent compound or drugs which is in active form, it converted into inactive form by the several enzymes present in our body, and it leads to excretion of such metabolite from our body. Some examples are there, that is phenylbutazone is converted to oxyphenbutazone, which is inactivated form. Phenytoin is converted into p-hydroxyphenytoin. 6-mercaptopurine, which is the anti-cancer drug, is converted to 6-mercapturic acid. Atropine, which is converted to tropic acid, and tropine, which are inactivated. Second one is activation of prodrug. Prodrug are such drug which does not have any pharmacological effect, and if they are metabolized, they will get activated and show the pharmacological actions. So for example, L-dopa is converted to dopamine, terfenadine is converted to fexofenadine, enalapril is converted to enalaprilate, which is the antihypertensive drug, chloramphenicol palmitate will convert it to chloramphenicol. And third one is metabolites retain similar activity, such as purine is demethylated to the more active analgesic, that is morphine. Panacetin is metabolized to more active paracetamol. Imipramine is demethylated to the equiactive antidepressant, that is desipramine. First one is metabolites with different activity. Some metabolites develop activity different from that of the parent drugs. For example, iproniazide, which is the antidepressant, is dealkylated to the potent antimicrobial agent, that is isoniazide, used against tuberculosis. Next example is retinoic acid, which is the active form of vitamin A, is isomerized to form isoretinoic acid. There are two enzymes which are involved in the metabolism, that is microsomal enzyme and non-microsomal enzyme. Microsomal enzymes are found in smooth endoplasmic reticulum of liver cells, and examples are cytochrome P450 monooxygenase, flavin monooxygenase. These are some example of microsomal enzyme, whereas non-microsomal enzymes are found in cytoplasm and mitochondria of liver cells. And the examples of non-microsomal enzyme is alcohol dehydrogenase, aldehyde dehydrogenase, monoamino oxidase, etc. The drugs are biotransformed in two pathways, that is phase 1 reaction and the phase 2 reaction. Phase 1 reaction is known as the functionalization, whereas phase 2 reaction is known as the conjugation. In phase 1 reaction, the parent drug is modified by oxidation, reduction or hydrolysis and converts lipophilic molecule into more polar molecule by introducing or exposing polar functional groups. Whereas in phase 2 of metabolism, the subsequent reaction in which a covalent linkage is formed between a functional group on the parent compound or phase 1 metabolite and an endogenous substrate such as glycuronic acid, sulfate, acetate or an amino acids get attached to the parent compound. This much for today. I will explain phase 1 and phase 2 metabolism in detail in my upcoming video. So thank you for watching. If you think this video was useful for you, please don't forget to like and share with your friends. And if you are new in my YouTube channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit bell icon so that you can get notification of my new upcoming video. Stay safe, stay healthy, keep watching, be updated. Thank you.